Okay, what's up guys? Today we're at Centerville. Now we are going on bumper cars. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification to Vlogger Burgers and share this video with family, friends. So I'm really excited, so let's hop into it. So yeah. Oh man, this is good steering. Now this is nice steering. Okay guys, I really have to get
If you get stuck, hold the steering wheel. If you're stuck, make sure you're holding the gas pedal down and turn the steering wheel all the way in the opposite direction. Pedal down all the way, turn the steering wheel all the way in the direction.
Dang, this is hard with this bull one. The wheel's too fast. I can't.
Make sure you're holding the pedal down all the way. You're right now. And if you're stuck, turn the steering wheel the opposite direction. If you're stuck on the right side, you turn to the right. If you're stuck on the left side, you turn to the right. If the steering wheel can't turn anymore, turn it back to the direction you already go all the way. Turn in the opposite direction before you get stuck. If you're not stuck, spin that steering wheel. You gotta keep turning till you get unstuck.
Okay. This is starting to get me so hard.
Make sure you're turning the steering wheel all the way.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification to Vlogger Burgers and share this video with family, friends.
You're right.